Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I remain Timothy. Last time we looked at some of the common terminology used in Excel. Today we are going to look at some of the common terminologies used in Microsoft PowerPoint, and I have a couple of them, so I'll be taking you guys through them one by one. So here they are. Let me show here on the slide. The first one we have is about the slide. So what is slide? Slide is a single page in a PowerPoint presentation used to display content, like where the content is displayed in PowerPoint. That is what we call slide. So this is, like, for example, this is our slide. So when you're dealing with PowerPoint, once you see this, just know you're dealing with a slide. That's our first terminology. The second terminology is the slide layout. What do I mean when I say slide layout? Slide layout is a predefined arrangement of power holders, like placeholders on a slide for text, images, charts, and etc. So let me show here in our PowerPoint here. So whatever you see here is a slide layout. So this one will enable you to like, if you want to insert something, you can do. If you want to design or to add more slides, everything you get under the slide layout. Yeah. The next terminology that we have is a transition. Transition is like the animation or the effect you apply when moving from one slide to another during presentation. I think this one can best be seen here. Let me show here. Yeah, we have our transition here. So you can use any. There are a couple of options here for you to choose through. Like, for example, I can put fade. You see, it fades, or you can say push. So it comes from down to the top. That is what we call transition. After transition, we have the fourth terminology, which is animation. Animation is like moving effects applied to text, to images, or even to object on the slide. Like, let me also show here. It's here. We have animations here. So that design you put in form of image, in form of or any text. Yeah, when you're doing your presentation. So they're here. Like right now we have options here, but of course they are not showing us because we have nothing on the slide. Otherwise, if we had something on the slide, it will show for us these options, and we'll be in position to choose where necessary the one that pleases us. So that is the fourth terminology. And then the fifth terminology is what we have, the themes. Themes is a collection of preset colors, fonts, and effects that can be applied to a presentation to provide a consistent look. So you can use, let me show here on the slide. Yeah, we have a couple of them here when we come home. Yeah. Right now they are not showing us. Like, for example, if I put something here, yeah, they're here. So you can change the font size, the font style, you can bold, you can underline, like you top it, everything. So whatever you do here is like you're doing it to like design your slide. So that is what we call a theme. After that, we have the sixth terminology, which is called note span. Note span is what makes the presenter, actually what allows the presenter to add extra note. And this extra note he adds may not be visible to the audience. Like for example here, down here is what where we are going to add our extra note, and that area is called what? The note pan. Like we can see here, click to add notes. So here you can add notes. So during your presentation, you can see the notes that you have added and also try to explain more to the audience. So that is our sixth terminology. Then the seventh terminology is the handouts. Handouts, like of course after finishing your presentation on the slides, you can print out the slides and distribute to the audience. So you can do this before your presentation or after your presentation. Sometimes it's good to do before presentation so that the audience will follow you while looking at the handouts. Let's go to the next terminology, and the next one is called the normal view. The normal view is yes, the normal view is like a default view in a PowerPoint where you can create and edit an individual slide. Like if you have something you want to add on a particular slide, you can go to the normal view, and from there you can edit whatever you want on that particular slide. So that is our ninth terminology. And then the last terminology is the presenter view. Presenter view is like a special view that allows the presenter to see notes and upcoming slides while presenting to the audience. So it enables the presenter to see the notes when making a presentation to the audience. And these views can be found here, under here. So we have a couple of them here. So those are our terminologies. There are very many, and as we continue with Microsoft PowerPoint, you are going to appreciate some of these terminologies, and of course, all of them are applicable. So thanks so much. This is where our video is going to end, and I'll be happy when I see you sharing this video with your loved one. Please put any comment and like the video. My next presentation will be about how to make notes on PowerPoint, and then how to do a presentation on PowerPoint. So don't miss that opportunity. Bye till we meet next time.